With the tides of the new moon, peaceful and receiving energies come. A new moon means that no matter where you've been, today you get to start again. The new moon is a lunar phase that occurs when the moon is located exactly between the Earth and the Sun. Because its bright side cannot be seen from our planet, some people also call this time a dark moon. Spiritually, the new moon is associated with rebirth and new beginnings, so it's an ideal time to plant the seeds of what you would like to see grow in your life. Instead of casting a manifestation spell, set an intention for the cycle that begins. Cleanse yourself and your sacred space, meditate, and renew your commitment to previous resolutions. What to do during the new moon? This is a time for introspection, self-analysis and reflection, an opportunity for a fresh start and a new you. A few ideas. Clear and organize your altar. The new moon helps us clear the negative and stagnant energies of the past cycle. Cleaning your altar and making room for new works and projects is a symbolic act that marks the beginning of this new cycle. Cleanse yourself with a spiritual bath. Take a mindful shower or bath by spending some extra time clearing your mind, relaxing and taking care of your body. The new moon is a time of peace and restoration. For a quick elemental cleanse, simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt to your regular bath water and focus on the powerful grounding effect of this mineral as you immerse in the water. Light a white candle to invoke peace and restoration. A single white candle can clear negative energies and give an auspicious start to the new lunar cycle. Have some background music or simply meditate while the candle burns. This guided meditation is especially powerful for relaxing, setting intentions, and invoking cleansing light. Practice gratitude and relaxation. A good way to invoke peace, health, and protection is to give thanks. A grateful attitude opens the door for more good things to come. If your energies are low, cast a circle of protection or follow this guided meditation for a powerful circle casting visualization. You can also create a simple ritual with tea light candles and some music. Google Spellsate Peace of Mind to quickly find the recipe. Say a prayer to the moon. New moon nights are perfect for watching the stars because there's no other source of light in the sky. While the moon is not visible, it's still there and it continues to influence us. Pray along this Wiccan chant called New Moon Rising and get a printable version for your Book of Shadows. Add pages to your Book of Shadows. Find printable spells and pages for your grimoire or spell collection. Decide on what you want to learn or add to your practice in the next month. Write down goals, intentions, plan and think about everything you want to conceive and achieve during the next 28 days. Start your Wiccan studies. New moons make new witches. Start by learning the history of modern witchcraft and the values that are observed and followed by a majority of Wiccans. This free Wiccan video series covers the Wheel of the Year, the God and Goddess, a bit of herbal witchcraft, and even a self-dedication ritual. Google Spellsate Self-Initiation to learn more. Make some new moon water. Charge your water under the new moon with this video recipe. Store it in a bottle and use it to boost your spells of new beginnings. Sprinkle your altar, your home or workspace with some new moon water. If you're planting seeds, water them with some of this moon water to promote a healthy start. As you can see, any kind of spell or ritual that promotes a fresh start is ideal for a new moon night. This road opener spell was inspired by a Mexican abracamina ritual. It's been modified to invoke the 4 quarters and elementals and help you unlock blockages and find solutions. You will need an incense stick, a crystal or gemstone, and a white candle. Google Elemental Road Opener to find this Wiccan recipe. Practitioners of kitchen magic can also harness the new moon's energy by activating the protective powers of a few kitchen ingredients. This spell uses the power of salt and an onion to create a magic armor of protection. You'll need a photo of yourself, or write your name on a piece of paper instead. Google Magic Armor Spellzate to find the recipe. The new moon ends once the first sliver of a crescent moon starts to appear in the sky. You can welcome the crescent moon by devoting a few minutes of prayer to Diana, the Roman goddess of the hunt and the moon. In summary, the new moon is a time that favors new projects and welcomes new beginnings. Some of the best rituals for the new moon are those that call upon relaxing, quiet energies. Remember that 10 minutes of meditation every day can make an earthly difference. Find daily Wiccan meditations at spellzate.com, and have a blessed new moon.